ordinary aircraft must have forward speed to fly. The reason speed is necessary lies in the shape of the airplane's wing. Examination will show that the wing has been designed so that its upper surface is more curved than its lower surface. When the airplane is in motion, air rushes past the wing. The air passing the upper surface moves a longer distance in the same time as the air passing the lower surface, and therefore moves past the upper surface faster. This difference in air speed increases as the airplane itself moves faster and creates a partial vacuum along the upper wing surface. The normal air pressure under the wing lifts it into this partial vacuum, which enables the airplane to fly.